In this video, let me show you how to fix the Instagram story not uploading. So if you're having issues uploading a story to your Instagram, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is try to switch your network connection. If you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, try to switching to a cellular data or vice versa. If this first step does not work for you, what you can also try out is turning on the airplane mode for at least 10 seconds and then turn it off again. So by doing these first two steps alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache of Instagram. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, and once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear data or the clear cache option that you'll be able to see on the bottom of the screen. Now once you've done all of these steps and you're still having issues with it, the other thing that you can try out is try to save the media locally and then again re-download. So if you're trying to upload a story straight away by taking a picture straight away from Instagram, instead of doing that, make sure you first of all save the video or the image to your gallery or to your phone first of all, and then again try re-uploading. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram story not uploading. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.